Ate. Okay. Hi, Mom. What can you say?
Ayana. Ayana ba itong bago?
Ate, what can you say? Ay. Nag-aantay ng camera. Ikaw?
Ano nasasabi mo? The expression.
Cordy, Mama. Cordy. After how many minutes of delay? Ilang minutes of delay? 30 minutes pa? Okay, we are on our way. Mama, ate. Ano masasabi? Ano masasabi mo? Papunta sa Rooney. Ano yan? Hi, Mama. So, ano masasabi mo?
Ay naku, I'm so disappointed.
Bakit naman?
Alam na ganito pala dito.
Ha?
Kala ko naman napakaganda.
Asan na ba tayo ngayon? Kami ay nasa Runic na right now. And, ayun, di ako pinayagan mag-swimming dahil naka-ano ko, tingnan mo.
Oo.
Hindi cotton daw siya, so harmful daw siya sa chemicals sa
At ang
pool.
aking ina naman ay.
Ang aking ina, maganda lang. Ganda. Okay, tin si Barbara. Ito naman yung pool namin. Runic. And then the bar behind me.
Pag ano, ibang ano naman ah.
Ano?
Ubusin natin.
Go.
Yummy.
Yummy. Anong nilulook forward mo sa ano natin? Street natin?
Maganda.
Yun lang? Napaka-insightful lang.
Parang wala pa yung hindi pa nararamdaman niya sa'yo.
Bakit? Eh tayo nga lang yung tao dito so dapat maging masaya ka. Pero mahal kasi. Tapos di ako pinayagan mag-swimming. Gusto ko na mag-swimming. So ayun, andito lang kami, nakaupo. This is what our bed looks like. So now we are just waiting for ate to come. Nag-free diving siya right now. And umorder pala kami ng mango juice. Magkano yung mango juice?
250.
Anong sasabi mo sa mango juice?
Super yummy. Yummy.
Fresh naman siya.
Yeah.
Nakita kami ate nagsasalita. See you later. Tingnan natin ang itsura ng sunset mamaya. Bye. So far guys, hindi siya nasisiyahan. Ako naman nasisiyahan. Medyo hassle lang yung delay ng Philippine Airlines. We were supposed to take off at 8:30 a.m. And then we ended up. So ayun, na-delay kami ng 1.5 hour. Tapos ngayon, andito na kami sa Runic. Pero dalawa lang kami ni Mama. Nagde-date. She's my date for today. And look at my wallet. My fish wallet. Tilapia. Eh, ano masasabi mo? Uy, magsalita naman kayo. Magnanay talaga kayo ni ate, mga wala kayong masabi.
I'm so very beautiful ba?
Wow.
Good.
Talagang Pilipina. Ate. Hi.
Chef po no.
Gabi na, nakainom na ba?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Nakainom na.
Tapos na.
Kawag lang. So ngayon, tapos na kami sa Unique. How was the experience?
It was
Wait,
good.
mama muna.
Hello.
How was the
So
experience?
good. For now.
Ate?
It was good. I had fun. It did meet my expectation.
Good.
Ako naman, I had fun
And I love
too.
their salmon sushi.
I was able to take a swim. Kasi hiniram ko yung shirt ni ate. Buti wala silang nagawa kasi hindi ako papayag na hindi ako magsiswimming. Ang mahal-mahal. Tapos hindi ako magsiswimming. So I'm going to wear my sister's short. And I was able to. Uy, binuksan nila ako kasi nag-vlog tayo. And now, we are on our way home. Bye-bye, Runic. On to the next day. Starting the day right. Uy! Hey, mama! Hi!
Pwede na.
Paliton Beach. Ay, tapos na kami sa Paliton Beach. Ma, what can you say about Paliton Beach?
Super ganda.
Ha?
Hindi ako makikita.
Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa Paliton Beach?
Hello.
Ana, you were saying something?
Babalik kami.
Kailan?
So good. Bukas.
Bukas, hopefully. Yeah. Ito siya.
Let's go.
Pwede pa na tayo sumunod.
Dito.
Ang ganda, sulit yung toy. Sulit agad. Nakapasok mo pa lang. Ang dami ng tao, ate. I just wanna you to know.
Kaya ice cream tayo.
Kila Noel. Ah, look. This one. And then last one. Look at this. I don't know what these are for. Diyan. Para saan kaya ito? Pasok. Ay, wow! Ang galing! Nakalagay na agad yung mga gamit mo. Binuksan na nila. May libre silang food, oh. Ang ganda naman ng room service. Sila na rin nagbukas ng gamit namin. Oh, tas yun, naka-ready na, oh. Oh, tignan mo, may libre pang bra. May libre pang panty. Hello! Hi, dinner time! Hi! Ay, ate.
Pwede ba tayo mag-picture dito?
Ngayon po medyo maulan. Kasalukuyang umuulan dito, umaambon. Kanina, malakas na pagbuhos ng ulan. Ngayon, hindi namin alam kung si kuya to. Sino ba yan? Hello. Excuse me. Morning po. Ano sasabi mo? Last day of tour.
Last day of tour.
Si ate natakot kahapon.
Bakit talaga ba naman ako? Tapos yung tulogin parang may monster.
Ay, papatay ka tayo.
Realist na nakatapat ka sa pinto. Kaya alam mo na.
Walang tao. No. Siguro kung nasa CR ako, nasigaw din ako.
Hello. We're doing a bit of hiking. And it's raining. I'm not raining, but the sun is
It's been raining in Chico Horse, di ka ba nila?
showing now.
O tapos,
Mukha na ba akong mahana?
uy, sabi nila kapatid ka na naman namin.
Kaya sabi.
Pero isip ko, pag sinasabi nilang kapatid ka namin, older na kapatid, hindi naman yung kaedad talaga natin. Feeling nila, ano ka, ikaw yung ate. Look at the back, oh. Hello. Maayong buntag.
Magano kayo sa mga steps na ito kasi may na
Kami nahulog.
dito sa
Ganda guys. Look at the calm water. Ito si mama. Matingin. Handa ka na ba mag-picture?
Oh, yes. Ganda ba?
Yan. Mukha kang model. Ang patis. Yan ang isa, oh. Sige. Kaya mo yan.
Saan nagsimulang magbago ang lahat? Kailan nung ako'y di na naging sapat? Ba't di mo every heartbeat we find ease. In the voyage of life we seize. We are the travelers, hearts so free. We are the sailors on this sea. In this adventure of life we decree. In the cities and the wild we roam. Every place we visit feels like home. With every heartbeat, a journey spun. In the journey of life we comb. We are the travelers, hearts so free. We are the sailors on this sea. With every heartbeat, a destiny. In this adventure of life we decree. In the stars above we see our dreams. Every road we take a new gleam. With every heartbeat, life's stream.
Sobra. Mahal lang ano yung renta ng ano.
Na. Yung case na grabe. Drinks.
In the travel of life we beam. We are the travelers, hearts so free. We are the sailors on this sea. With every heartbeat, our destiny. In this adventure of life we decree.
So guys, hindi papunta kami sa Paliton Beach. Sa 30 final day. Pero kapag hindi namin pumunta na Paliton Beach, dahil kami sa harap namin. So, magpapalit kami ng beach for go to Paliton Beach. Hi. Continuous day. Last day.
So good.
Yun lang yun.
We're singing, we're dancing, we're singing, we're dancing, we're singing, we're dancing, we're singing, we're dancing, we're singing, we're dancing,
Hi guys, today last day na namin dito sa Paliton Beach. So ngayon nakikita niyo, ayan ah. Look at how clear the water is. Ma, dito ka! Dito tayo. So what can you say? Hey! Hey sister!
Love it. Ganda sa Paliton.
Bakit maganda sa Paliton?
Kasi
Dito
ganda
tayo.
ng beach.
Paano?
Kita nyo naman yung color, right?
Gusto niyo makita ilalim? Ganda. Nakita kang sea urchin. Hi!
It's great. It's fun. It's fun in the Philippines. Hi.
Ano ba? Puro pa cute ka lang. Salita ka naman.
Uwi na po kami mamaya. I miss Chloe and Kasoy. Momo Chup Chup.
We're dancing, oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 we're singing, oh, oh, oh. We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, 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 oh. We're dancing, oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 we're singing, oh, oh, oh.
Yan yung aso. Nagpaparab. Lambing niyo mo, mama.
Hello, baby.
Ay, bebe. Hello. Ajiga, jiga, jiga, jiga. Ajiga, jiga, jiga. Ajiga, jiga, jiga. Ay, nagtaas na. Ay. Nagtaas na ang Kurimaw. Kamusta? Kamusta naman dito ang buhay sa Paliton Beach? Ha?
Baby. May aso din kami, Ben. Laki ng muta. Wala na siya, baby.
So cute. Ano sabi mo sa kanya?
I miss my Chloe and Toto, you know.
Oh.
Cute. What is your name, baby?
Sabi ko
Diyan
kayo.
yung baby, ah. Tanawin, baby ko. Baby, baby.
Ayak, dinidilaan niya. Hello, baby. Bis, may nagpapakain ba sa'yo dito? Wawa naman tong mga to. Gusto mo dali na kita sa Maynila? Ha? Bebe. Alis na kami ngayon, be. Ano masabi mo, be? Sabi niya, iwan niyo kami dito. Wawa naman, wala kasing papa dito, baby, eh. Ikaw, be, may picture ka na? Bye-bye. Sige, Hor. Our last day here. Paliton Beach.
We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, 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 oh.
Yamen.
We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, 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 oh. We're dancing, oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 we're singing, oh, oh, oh. We're dancing, oh, 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 oh. We're singing, oh, 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 oh.
Okay guys, na paalis na kami. Thank you, Golden Sunset Inn. If the sun refused to shine, baby, would I still be your lover? Would you want me there if the moon went dark tonight? And if it all ended tomorrow, would I be the one in your mind? All ended tomorrow, would I be the one on mine? Then Sunset Inn, bye-bye. Hi.
Bye, guys.
Ganda ni ate. Pati nga. Wow. Wow. Si mama parang teenager pa rin. Si ate parang biglang nag-menopause eh. Ako naman eh. Hala. Look at those guys. Ganda ng airport nila oh. Kajud man. Ay. Ah, seaport pala. Okay, ang ganda. Turkish blue. Right. Ano all?
Sino umiiyak dyan? Sino umiiyak? Wait lang.
Chloe. 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 Parang